Good morning, it's day 3 of my staycation, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning on the Tuesday, August, what is it, I don't know, 13th or something. So, I'm gonna take this apart today, and I heard some noise in the woods. It's somewhat cool outside, if you want to call it that. I'm going to eventually mow this, but in today's task, if I can get as much done as possible, so I'm going to clean this stuff up. And that way, once I clean it, then I could come through with the little mower if I can get the mower going. So, and this is my mess that I'll have to, some of this stuff's going to get thrown away. I'll have to go to the store and get another piece of plywood. Yeah. Oh yeah. My other drill is being charged. And I have something else today, too. Something I didn't have yesterday. Dun, 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 dun. For no seams. So far, they're not bothering me. So, I'm just going to do a little bit of work here. See what I can get done today. I used to have 2 boats right there, but I got rid of them. So, there's another area. I'm gonna go visit the air conditioning people earlier in the day rather than too late in the day. There's the spider web. But I'm getting a new unit that's gonna actually be a bit larger than that. It's gonna stick out a little bit more over that way, I think. So I have to measure that foundation and try to take pictures and stuff. It's another thing for today. Yeah. Okay. So work is to be done.